Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to write text on background image in Word. Open your Word document. There, from the Insert menu, click on Pictures and then on this device. Select the image and click on Insert. Adjust the image. When doing so, in the Picture Format menu, click on Wrap Text and select Behind Text. Adjust your image behind the current text in the document. If you need to, click on Crop and adjust the image to the required size so that it looks good behind the text. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.